Every individual on this planet is given one chance, and that is called life. We have to live to the fullest of our potential because we have to make the best out of this life, this one chance. Yet, in this one chance, people start feeling stuck at some point of their life because of less guidance, no motivation, unknown subconscious problems, and much more. Also, there are people who are overachieving. Every morning they get up and they achieve their dreams, their daily goals, milestones. Why there is this big difference? Because some people have this game plan for their life and others don't. Limited resources like money and other materialistic things can be a problem, but the bigger problem is when you don't have the vision, the purpose. The high achievers have the vision, the long term goals, the purpose. That purpose, that vision wakes them up every morning. They know what to do every day because they have set goals, set purpose. And that purpose helps them get motivated and not to procrastinate. Most of us procrastinate because we don't know our purpose, what we are doing and what we have to do, and why we are here. We don't know answers to these questions. We have to figure these things out. And the good part is, even the high achievers do this with the help of a mentor or a coach. Someone who has the vision to see far into the future and also help you get rid of bad habits, distractions, and other things that make you stuck. We all need that hand to hold us in this difficult situation and help us navigate through the life. My life story is not different from the rest of the world. I struggled, I failed, yet I made some good decisions, some good choices that led to this life where I'm helping other people to get out of any stuckness, any procrastinating behavior, or any bad habit. If you want to achieve best out of this life, we have to work together. I studied psychology, I studied coaching, I'm an ICF certified coach, and for the last 5 years I'm helping individuals get out of this comfort zone and achieve their best potential. You can avail my services on my website. The link to the website is in my description. Go ahead and book a discovery call so that we can discuss what is the potential we have to unleash in you so that you can achieve the best in this life. Thank you so much.